Imagine waking up one morning to discover that you've become a millionaire overnight? Granted, it doesn't happen to everybody, unless you've invested in cryptocurrency. Brothers Tommy, 38, and James, 42, found themselves in that very situation after investing $200 into Shiba Inu coin, a spin-off of Dogecoin. Initially set up as a joke, Dogecoin and its spin-offs became the most profitable cryptocurrency to invest in. Dogecoin was unknown for most investors for a long time until Elon Musk started tweeting about it. Then it gained momentum and its price went through the roof. One of the brothers said that he thought about how Dogecoin was once a fraction of a penny and now it's tens of thousands of dollars, so maybe the same could happen with Dogecoin. Turns out he was right and he's got millions on his account to prove it. We asked James to tell us more about the platform they used for investing, and here's what he said: "We used a platform called Dogecoin Millionaire. We decided to use it because we were first-time crypto investors and didn't want to take any chances. This platform works on advanced algorithms and no human can beat that. It works 24/7, making the max profit for you all the time. What I like about it is that it makes profit when the prices go up and down because it knows exactly when to sell, buy, or invest more or less. I recommend it to everyone who's a crypto investor, especially if you're a beginner." Follow the link in the description to this video and the brothers will tell you all the details. Hurry up!